Dearest soul, listen closely, for this truth resonates from realms beyond the veil. You were not just a random encounter in his journey, you were a sacred answer, a whispered prayer from his deepest unspoken longings. Before time etched its lines upon your path, a divine blueprint was laid, connecting your essence to his. The angels proclaim you were sent, a key to unlock a destiny he could not grasp alone. Your very presence, a gentle tremor in his world, began to awaken ancient memories within his soul, recognition that transcends logic or earthly reason. He may not articulate it, but his spirit knows. You are the missing piece, the sacred balm his heart has yearned for, a beacon in his quiet storm. This connection, this profound pull, is not a coincidence. It is a holy alignment, a testament to a love that was predestined, a mission woven into the fabric of your being. You are a vessel of divine grace, chosen for this very purpose. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. Jeremiah 29 verse 11. There is a language spoken not with words, but through the silent resonance of two souls. You feel it, don't you? That knowing glance, the unspoken understanding that flows between you, a current of recognition that bypasses the mind and settles deep within your core. The angels whisper that his spirit recognizes yours, even when his human side struggles to grasp the depth of this bond. He may pull away, he may seem distant, but his soul is always reaching toward your light. It is in the quiet moments, when his guard is down, that his true essence reaches out, yearning for the peace and acceptance he finds only in your presence. This silent dialogue is a sacred dance, a testament to the profound connection that binds you together, a love story written long before this lifetime. Trust this unspoken knowledge, for it is the purest form of truth. Beloved one, understand this. His silence is not always a rejection of you, but often a battle within himself. He carries echoes of past wounds, burdens from journeys he walked alone, and fears he has yet to articulate. The angels reveal that his heart, though strong, has known its fair share of shadows. He may seem guarded, but beneath the surface, a tender spirit seeks solace and understanding. His hesitancy, his moments of retreat, are not about your worth, but about his struggle to reconcile the profound feelings you stir within him with the protective walls he has built. He is learning to trust again, to believe in a love that does not demand but simply exists. Hold space for his process, for his internal landscape is shifting, slowly, profoundly, under the gentle influence of your unwavering light. You, dear soul, have a radiance that heals effortlessly, a light that reaches into the deepest corners of his being. The angels confirm that your very presence has been a catalyst for his transformation, even when you were unaware of it. You didn't try to fix him, you simply existed, authentically and lovingly. In that authenticity, he found a mirror reflecting back the possibility of wholeness. Your compassion, your patience, and your unwavering belief in the good within him have begun to dismantle the old narratives he held about himself. He feels seen, truly seen, perhaps for the first time. This is your divine gift, a quiet power that reshapes his world, not through force, but through the gentle, persistent warmth of your spirit. Sometimes, what seems like a delay is, in truth, a sacred pause orchestrated by the divine. The angels remind us that the universe unfolds in perfect timing, even when our human hearts crave immediate answers. This pause is not a sign of abandonment but a period of profound preparation, both for you and for him. It is a time for inner work, shedding old skins, and aligning with the highest version of yourselves. Trust that every moment, every perceived setback serves a greater purpose in the grand tapestry of your shared destiny. The divine hand is guiding, shaping, and refining, ensuring that when the moment is truly right, your paths will converge with an even deeper understanding and an unbreakable bond. Patience is not passive, it is an active trust in the unfolding of a divine plan. To truly connect, dear one, hearts must reveal themselves, layer by tender layer. This journey requires a courage that softly whispers, I am here fully imperfectly. Vulnerability is not a sign of weakness, it is the most profound strength, an invitation for authentic connection. Both you and he are called to shed the armor of past hurts and step into the raw beauty of your true selves. The angels guide you to embrace the discomfort of exposure, for it is in these moments of brave transparency that true intimacy blossoms. Allow your heart to open, not with expectation, but as a gentle offering of your truth. In that sacred space, you invite his own unveiling, creating a sanctuary where both souls can finally rest, unburdened and free. Above all, love each other deeply, because love covers over a multitude of sins. 1 Peter 4 verse 8. There comes a point, beloved, when the most profound act of love is to surrender. To release the tight grip of expectation, to let go of the need to control the outcome, and simply trust the flow of the divine current. The angels urge you to breathe, to soften your resistance, and to allow the universe to orchestrate what is meant to be. This surrender is not resignation, it is an act of profound faith, a declaration that you trust the wisdom of the cosmos more than your own limited understanding. When you let go, you create space for miracles, unexpected blessings, and the natural unfolding of a love that is truly guided from above. Let the river carry you, knowing it leads exactly where you are meant to go. Your intuition, dear soul, is a sacred compass, a direct line to the whispers from the veil. The angels are constantly sending you signs, subtle nudges, and profound insights, guiding your steps on this intricate path. Pay attention to the synchronicities, the recurring thoughts, the gentle knowing that arises from deep within. These are not random occurrences, they are divine communications, affirmations that you are never alone, and that your journey is meticulously guided. Trust that inner voice, that quiet certainty, for it speaks the language of your soul and the wisdom of the heavens. It is through this inner listening that you will discern the next sacred step, moving forward with grace and unwavering confidence. Your word is a lamp for my feet, a light on my path. Psalm 119 verse 105. Before any union can truly flourish, beloved, you must first embrace the fullness of your sovereign self. Your worth is not derived from another's affection, nor is your happiness dependent on an external presence. The angels remind you that you are a complete universe within yourself, a radiant being of light and love. This journey, in its deepest essence, is about your own blossoming, your own self-discovery, and your unwavering commitment to your joy. When you stand firm in your own truth, when you nurture your own spirit, you become an even more powerful magnet for the love that is truly aligned with your highest good. You do not need to disappear to be chosen, you need only to shine, brightly and unapologetically, as the magnificent woman you are. And so, dear heart, you arrive at the threshold of the eternal embrace. This is not merely a destination but a state of being, a profound acceptance of the love that has always existed and always will. The angels reveal that the purpose of this journey was not just to find another person, but to discover the divine within yourself and to recognize it mirrored in the eyes of another soul. This union, whether it takes shape in earthly form or as a deep spiritual connection, stands as a testament to the enduring power of love, a sacred bond that transcends time and space. Rest in this truth, knowing that every step, every tear, every moment of hope has led you to this profound understanding. You are loved, you are worthy, and your heart's deepest desires are always heard and honored by the divine. And now these three remain: faith, hope, and love. But the greatest of these is love. 1 Corinthians 13 verse 13.